If improving your sales performance is a priority, ChatGPT can coach you through setting actionable goals to make real progress. Start by asking ChatGPT using this prompt. Can you help me set SMART goals for increasing test drives, improving follow-up conversions, and handling objections more effectively? Break each goal into weekly milestones. Use Canvas to organize your plan. Outline your goals with clear steps and timelines. Bonus tip: ask ChatGPT for motivational prompts or affirmations to keep you focused and energized throughout the month. Here are some prompts you can use. Every test drive gets me closer to closing the deal. Or, with every objection I handle, I'm becoming a stronger salesperson. With clear goals and regular check-ins, you'll stay on track and see measurable improvements in your performance.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.